Today we will be talking about taped problems. My name is Abbie Kaufmann, and I'm here with Joshua McEwen and Jonie Welland. Taped problems is a math intervention that increases students' math fluency in addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. In taped problems, students listen to a recording of math facts and try to solve the problem before the recorded answer is given. If solved incorrectly, the student will immediately write the correct answer.
Why should we use taped problems? Well, taped problems gives frequent and immediate feedback to students while allowing students to manage their own learning. Immediate feedback is reinforcing to students and prevents students from rehearsing incorrect responses. It also offers many opportunities to respond, which increases both academic performance and student time on task. Taped problems is short to implement, taking only 3 to 5 minutes, and it can be used individually, in small groups, or with an entire class. Taped problems has been shown to be effective with elementary and middle school age students.
The research has supported taped problems. Taped problems has demonstrated they have a positive effect on math facts fluency, with a meta-analysis of 12 single case studies that showed moderate to very large effect sizes, with a median improvement rate of 0.875 and ranges of 0.18 to 1.0. It was shown to be effective for class-wide delivery and for individual.
The materials needed for taped problems are a math worksheet with 12 to 24 problems, a taped recording of the teacher reading the problems in order with a delay before each answer. For example, 8 times 4 is 32. A pencil is also needed for each student. The procedure for taped problems is: step 1, the teacher will bring out all needed materials. Step 2, the teacher will introduce the intervention and will tell the students when the tape has started. Step 3, the students will listen to the first part of the problem. For example, 7 times 5 is. Step 4, students try to beat the tape by solving the problem before the recorded answer. Step 5, if wrong, the students will cross out the incorrect answer and write the correct solution. And finally, step 6, students will continue working until the end of the sheet and recording.
Further procedures. Taped problems can be implemented relatively quickly, with recordings lasting anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes depending on how many problems there are on the worksheet. The delay between the recording reading the problem and the recording giving the answer can be anywhere from 2 to 5 seconds, depending on teacher preference. There are pros and cons to both. 2 seconds will not allow students to use complex problem-solving methods and will require them to demonstrate automaticity with math facts, whereas 5 seconds allows students more time to write down the answer. Teachers need to be led through the process and trained before they implement it with students. Also, taped problems is most effective for students in the fluency stage of learning math facts. Next, we will demonstrate to you how to implement taped problems with a small group.
I'm Joshua McEwen of the University of Missouri. With me today is
Abbie Kaufmann
And Jonie Welland.
All right. Hey class. Today for multiplication, we're going to be doing a new activity called taped problems. In it, I'm going to be handing you a worksheet, and I want you to be going through it with this recording. The recording is going to say out the problem, and then I want you to try and write the solution before the answer is given. Now, if you beat out the solution and you get it right, good for you. If you don't, or you get it wrong, cross out your answer and put the correct one next to it. Are you ready to begin?
I have a question.
Yes.
Can I work ahead and finish the worksheet really quickly, or do I have to wait for the recording to read each problem out loud?
We're going to have to wait for the recording to read out the problem.
Gotcha.
You ready now?
Yep. Yes.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
8 times 4 is 32. 10 times 3 is 30. 5 times 8 is 40. 12 times 12 is 144. 10 times 6 is 60. 8 times 6 is 48. 5 times 4 is 20. 9 times 11 is 99.
All right, and we'll be stopping there. And as you can see for an example, I'm crossing out a wrong answer and putting the correct one next to it. Thank you very much.